The top tonight, it's an issue seen by thousands in the coastal bend, the struggle to find quality health care. For new patients, the wait to see a primary care physician in Corpus Christi can take months.
Yeah, but is it a result of a broken healthcare system? In this 3 News series tonight, our Josh Maxwell explores that topic to see whether doctors and patients agree.
For those visiting Maria Hunt's house, you can expect a welcoming smile. But if you look a little closer, it doesn't take long to see just how warm
Go get your snack.
and fuzzy her world really is.
They know what I do all day more than anybody else.
Twinkie and Siggy are the 2 anchors keeping Maria grounded, and they see her through the hardships no one else sees.
They're pretty much involved in my life.
In return, she gives them the best.
I make sure they have their checkups, their shots, their food.
Something Maria says she can't always manage to consistently give herself.
And they tell you, oh no, we don't have openings right now. We don't have, we're gonna have to wait for the appointment. And
Maria is one of many Coastal Bend residents facing this frustration when needing to see a doctor.
so they just give you that running around. When you're really in an emergency, you can wait.
But local PCPs say there are reasons for shortages. One in particular, the sheer number of patients needing to be seen.
So I was getting burned out. I was seeing 45 patients a day.
Dr. Mark Dodson is a primary care physician based here in Corpus Christi. He says when he was in medical school, there was a clear guide on how to provide optimal patient care.
We were taught that if you see more than 15 patients per day, you're too busy. My first day in practice as a physician here in Corpus Christi, I saw 25 patients.
Dodson says that when so many patients are packed into a limited schedule, there's a higher potential for mistakes.
If you don't ask enough questions before you examine the patient, you haven't done a good job. You should know what you're going to find on the physical exam by having done the questions beforehand.
Christian Spawn's clinics hire many primary care physicians.
We now have 58 primary care providers in the community. We were able to recruit 11 into the community last year.
System President and CEO Dominic Dominguez says its residency program helps them hold on to primary care doctors locally, but the numbers show that keeping them here is tough.
Each class, and there's 3 classes as they train, have 14 physicians as a part of that class. Last year, we were blessed to keep 6 of them in the community.
Something Dodson says will be essential to facing the dire healthcare need in the area.
In order to replace those that are my generation that are retiring, we need to have 50% of the physicians in medical school go into primary care.
What are you going to do for the time being while you're still waiting?
Hoping and praying that I don't get sick or end up in the hospital again.
Josh Maxwell, 3 News.